Here I have Tiberiu Covaci next to me. Hi, Tibi.
Hi, hi.
Good to have you here. You already had your presentation. Could you shortly tell us what was it about?
So, which services as a developer, you need to know which services in the cloud you need to know. So, what should you start using? What should you start looking at? In theory, you can just take an existing application and move it to the cloud. But if you really want to harness the power of the cloud, you need to start looking at the native services that the cloud providers have to offer and which ones are available.
Yeah. I remember my first time in this conference, maybe 3 years ago. I remember clouds. The first thought we are talking about these kind of clouds, no?
Yeah,
but this is not the clouds we're talking here in the conference. And you have been here 4 years ago, right?
I think so. Yeah, I think so. It was the same the year where there was the first one that was with the Ukraine as well. So it was both Lithuania and Kiev at the same, like one after the other, exactly like this year. Yeah. So. And I went to both. I remember that.
Okay, and you're still going both. In a few days, you're going to Ukraine.
Yes, exactly. I'll be there too. So
it's a pity you are not going to visit the Chernobyl site.
I've seen the movie, so it's enough. I don't want to fall for the tourist trap, so that's okay.
Maybe that's smart. So could you tell us how did build stuff change in these 3 or 4 years?
Actually, I can see that there are a lot of things. It's bigger. It feels a little bit bigger. It was still here, but it was limited maybe just to that part of the conference center here at the hotel. Now I see that we almost took every place around here, which is nice. The branding is very good, and it really looks nice. I really like that, and it feels it is very professionally organized. I really like that.
Do you like the jungle topic?
Yes, it's very good. The topic is actually perfect. It makes exactly. Yeah.
But I'm wearing jungle. I don't know if you can see, but it's also jungle here. So.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So maybe we should have got those as speakers as well. To be in team.
Or some lion costumes and zebra costumes for them to have.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Have you had the chance to listen to other speakers?
Not unfortunately. I came late yesterday. It took me longer to come from the airport here because it was rush hour than actually to fly from Warsaw to
really?
to here. Yeah, I was in Paris at the beginning of the week, so I just came last night, and I just had my session in the morning, so I want to make sure that everything worked okay. And after lunch now, so I'm thinking about going to 2-3 sessions now.
Okay. And you've been to the Kiev build stuff before, yes. So could you tell us what should people expect there? How the build stuff is different in Kiev?
I don't think it was too different. I think people were, very interested. That's what I like. Both here and there, people are actually very curious. You go in other countries, I don't know, people do not ask questions. They're very shy, I think. As developers, we are shy anyway, so that's nothing new. But I think, here people, both here and in Kiev, I really like that people come to you and they ask questions and they want to understand exactly. So they're not afraid of asking questions, and they're not afraid of engage with you as a speaker. So that's a good thing.